Hi, I'm Andrew Lau. I'm Lowsutea president. And today we're going to have something very exciting, not only just making your almond bread dessert or cinnamon balls or chocolate cake or even ice cream, but this time I'm going to make dinner. It's 1.6 gram chicken Cordon Bleu. So it's going to be a delicious chicken, but only 1.6 gram for you to enjoy. Hi， 我係 Andrew Lau， Lowsutea 嘅 president。今日有啲好特別，因為其實咧上幾次咧我哋做咗杏仁麵包啦，又做咗不同嘅呢個 cinnamon balls 啦，又有做咗雪糕啦，又做呢個朱古力蛋糕啦。咁今日咧我係特別做一樣嘢咧，係做咩咧？係呢個叫做 Cordon Bleu Chicken Cordon Bleu， 哇！呢個好正嘅雞扒。咁我哋首先咧就將呢個雞咧係整乾佢先。咁整乾嘅雞，揾啲水揾個湯整乾嘅雞。咁然後之後咧整乾咗之後啦，咁我哋咧就會係將佢咧割開佢一半 ，OK， 喺度割一半 ，OK。咁要揾把刀啦，割開一半啦 ，OK， 割一半，割一半，割一半，割一半，割一半，割一半 ，OK。咁割一半之後咧，咁我哋咧就會係喺呢度咧就係揾張膠紙咧冚住佢 ，OK， 冚住佢咧，咁我要打平佢啊。咁我係咩打平佢咧？就用呢一個咧係我哋個錘啦，木錘啦。咁咧我就可能夠打平佢啦 ，OK？ 點打平佢啊？就咁啦。呢個打平佢，越打平佢咧就越好，打平佢 ，OK？ 打平佢，嗱你睇嗱可以打平佢啊。將佢一路咁打平佢，即係打扁佢又可以講得嚟啊！打扁佢，咁你打扁咗佢咧，應該我就可以將佢咧係去令到佢咧可能夠可以 roll 啊，所以一定要打扁咗佢 ，OK？ 咁我就依家將佢打扁，咁應該有膠喺度嘅，所以可以嚟打好容方便嘅啫。So I do just pound it in such a way that I make it in such a way I can able to roll it later. So you see how nice now? I can pretty much flatten all my chicken, and then we go from there. Okay, now I'm flattening my chicken. Okay, so we are almost done. So we're gonna stop the camera, and basically before I stop the camera, what I will do is prepare the chicken a little bit more with salt and pepper and also some garlic powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle some garlic powder here, okay, and then I'll also do some salt, this pepper, so I just get some pepper, okay, and then I'll get some salt, okay, after that. So now I'm pretty much done. Okay, now we are back. Just now you saw me pounding the chicken, flatten it, and also we put salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So it's been seasoned. So now what we'll do is we'll prepare 2 pieces of ham, mozzarella cheese, and butter, so we can roll it. Okay. 嗱，頭先你見到我係咁拋個 chicken 咧，咁變咗個 chicken 咧又平咗啦，扁咗啦。咁依家咧就扁咗之後咧，咁我亦都加咗鹽啦、胡椒啦，仲有加力啦，即係咁變咗嚟講咧，我就有garlic powder做好晒啦。咁現在咧我就要擺啲火腿同埋 mozzarella cheese。你可以揾呢啲咁嘅 cheese 都得嘅，或者 American sweet cheese 就得，隨便你咩 cheese 都可以。咁同埋咧，仲有呢兩片嘅呢啲係butter 呢個牛油啦。咁我哋擺咗喺度咧，咁我 roll 入去就得㗎啦。咁 so we're gonna start doing this now after the season with salt and pepper and garlic. So now I'm gonna put my ham right here so we can get everything ready to roll. And we can also use, I like to use mozzarella cheese because it's delicious. You can use this kind of cheese is okay too. You got sweet cheese, American cheese, any cheese you like. But I like mozzarella cheese. I think the tastiest. So I put it here. I put it here. Put here. It's very simple. Actually, it's very simple. All you do is 其實好易嘅啫，樣樣都係咧擺晒一齊咧，咁你擺個牛油喺度啦，再擺埋其他牛油喺度啦，咁就完噶咯喎。咁然後之後咧就開始捲啦。So after you put everything ingredient here, or you just roll it. So I am rolling it. Now you notice I have a piece of plastic on the bottom. It just make your working a little easier. 嗱，你見到有塊我剪咗塊膠紙喺底下咧，呢係就即係普通膠袋咁啊剪開咗，咁就容易做嘢啲嘅。咁啲嘢咧就唔會黐晒個砧板喺度 ，OK？ 咁所以我就用呢個咧，同埋拋嘅時候咧又唔會拋亂晒龍。即係打個雞肉嘅時候咧，唔會打亂晒。咁呢個呢個咁捲，一路咁捲，咁捲完晒之後咧，我哋咧就會做咩嘅？我哋就做個即係個 crumb 啊。咁個 crumb 咧係用嗰啲叫做豬皮嚟做嘅。So after this, we will do the crumbs, and I will show you how to prepare that. Now we get this pretty much wrapped up. So I'm going to cover this up first, and then prepare for a little while later, open up, and do that later. OK， 咁我依家就將個膠紙咧捲住佢，咁然後咧等佢咧，我哋下一步咧係將佢做個 crumb. So I will roll it up with my chicken, ready for crumbing in a little while. OK, so we will turn on the camera now. After that, we'll come around and show you how to do the crumb. See you a little bit. Hey, I'm back. OK. Just now you saw I made the chicken and I wrapped it with cheese, ham in there already, so make it like a little big hot dogs, like, yeah. So now I'm gonna make the crumbs to bread it this chicken, and then after that we can send it to bake. Okay. So 嗱，頭先你見到我咧，我整個拋 chicken 裏邊咧又有火腿啦，又有芝士啦，咁我就 roll 咗佢好似大熱狗咁，然後就放咗喺度。咁現在咧我就要做我哋嘅即係 crumb 啦，即係個 bread crumb 咁樣啦，但我唔用 bread 嘅，我係用咩咧？我係 pork rind， 即係咩啊？豬皮啊！咁豬皮咧其實咧好簡單，你可以揾個膠袋入住佢，然後咧將個嘢咧呢嚿嘢係打爛佢，就好似變咗咁噶啦，即係好似差唔多 chips 一樣。咁如果你係冇一個所謂叫做food processing 咧，咁咧其實咧你就咁揾個膠袋入住佢係打都得嘅。So if you do not have a food processing machine, you can also use a plastic bag, cover this just like this, and then you use mallet and you pound and come out with just like this. Okay, so can you see? Zoom the camera, please, so we can able to see how good it is. And after that, you can use a spoon to crush it a little more. Now, I'm going to go through the ingredient right now. 嗱，其實好簡單，咁我依家就開始講講你嘅需要咧，有咩ingredient 喺裏邊啊？有咩每一樣嘢嘅？第一 ，so I'm going to talk about ingredient now. One, you need 1/4 cup of pork rind. Pork rind is like the pig skin, okay? Then you need 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. Can you see that? And then you have 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of basil. Okay, you can see oregano. You can see a little bit oregano how it look like. Okay, and you can see basil. 1個 teaspoon 嘅 basil 啦。咁然後咧就加1個 teaspoon 嘅 salt 啦，鹽啦。咁然後咧就 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary 啦，然後咧 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary and then 1/2 teaspoon 嘅 parsley 啦，咁然後咧就 1 tablespoon 嘅 Parmesan cheese. So you have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Now, and at the end of the day, we have also 1 egg, and you whip it. Okay, so this egg will be, after mix all this, this will roll into here, the chicken, and then on top of that, we'll then roll to the crumb. Then we'll put spray on the pan, oil spray, and then we'll go to brick it. 嗱，佢好簡單嘅啫，呢啲咧就將所有嘅 onion garlic 啦 powder 啦oregano 啦basil 啦 salt 啦rosemary 啦 parsley 啦同埋 tablespoon 嘅 Parmesan 放晒喺度撈，然後依個一隻雞蛋 so this one egg and you just roll this and crumb. I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, first I'm gonna mix all these together. And maybe I will have a spoon. Okay, good. My assistant gave me the spoon, so I'm gonna put this over here first. You see? Mix everything. Mix everything. Mix everything. Then I'm now putting the salt, mixing salt. So I already mixed the rosemary, the parsley, and the Parmesan. So I already mixed this. So I just do this. And then now I'm going to mix the basil. And then I 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon of oregano. And then I put my onions and also my garlic powder. Is it onion? Okay. Okay, mix it well. 嗱，好容易啊，將所有 ingredient mix 晒落去就得㗎啦。嗱，咁樣 mix 好啦喎。咁 mix 咗之後咧，咁我哋咧就可以好簡單咧 mix 完之後咧，咁我就開咗依個OK 嗱，你睇唔到 mix 咗就變咗咁嘅，睇唔到啊 ？OK， you see？ mix 晒之後就變咗咁㗎啦 ，OK？ 咁啦。我依家咧就開始咧就將我哋嘅我隻雞啦，將放咗佢係喺呢度啦。OK。咁啦，嗱，我咧就將啲放晒出嚟先 ，OK， 咁啊放好咗佢，咁然後咧我就將呢個咧好簡單，將呢個開咗佢 ，OK， 嗱，好似啊真係hot dog咁嘛，咁然後咧將呢個咧就放呢個喺呢一度。睇唔到啊？放喺度啦。OK， 咁我依家咧將呢個咧係咁將個雞蛋好多雞蛋繼續係咁 roll 晒佢。呢度啱啱嘅雞蛋 ，so you just use this egg, roll it, and then after that I just come here and I roll this completely cover everything. Okay, so you have to roll it in such a way that you have to make sure you cover everything, and then we can pretty much done. And then I'll show you what to do next step. Okay. Okay. All right. So after this, you gotta make sure you got everything in there. Pretty much done. And then I will have a pan. I spray the pan with pretty much the oil. You spray the oil, and then you put the pan in here, and it will ready to bake. 嗱，你而家將雞蛋整咗之後啦，咁你 roll 晒所有嘢啦，夠啦，咁我就放呢個成個嘢喺呢度。咁咧你可以 spray 啲 oil 喺度咧，咁就 ready to bake 啦。OK， 咁我而家熄咗機，然後咧我哋再翻嚟擺入焗爐裏邊，話俾你聽係出嚟嘅樣子係點樣嘅。一陣間見。Hi, I'm Andrew Lau. I'm back again, and you know what? the oven just went ding, and the chicken cordon bleu is ready to come out, and is wonderful taste, and is great dinner for anybody. And you can be diabetic, pre-diabetic, is no matter, but you get 1.6 gram carb. Is wonderful. 就呢個 oven 叮一聲出嚟啦，咁現在咧就準備咧可以將我哋個 chicken 雞 Cordon Bleu 咧拎出嚟，好香。其實咧你唔使一定係 diabetes 或者有糖尿病，係人都食得嘅，因為咧佢係只係1.6個 gram 嘅 carb。咁我拎出嚟睇睇。So now we'll take it out and take a look how it look like. Wow, look at that! Holy smoke! This is how it look like. Can you see? This is really wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. Just put it here in front of me, and I'm gonna cut a bit of it, and just to show you how nice it is. So I'm gonna put it right here. You know, there's some cheese already start coming out a bit, and I'm gonna cut this a bit so you get an idea. So 我哋而家開始咧 cut 一啲咁多出嚟俾你睇睇裏面係點樣樣嘅 ，OK， 好靚仔，你睇下嗱，呢個雞，哇 ，look at that! Can you zoom in? Take a look. This is how it look like. This is wonderful. It's going to be very delicious. You can have it for dinner or lunch, and actually anybody don't need to be just diabetic, can be eaten. Anybody can eat it. So I'm going to bring close to the camera. You can take a look how it look like. You see how wonderful that is. It's going to be very delicious. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm going to cut slightly a little bit just to see, try a little bit for myself, see it will be good to eat. And actually that will be my upcoming dinner. 嗱，我試一試好唔好先？好香口啊！一個好香嘅雞味，第一，第二咧係一個好有即係好香口啦，亦都可以送不同嘅菜蔬啊都可以得嘅，呢個係好香。我而家試試先。It is delicious. It's really nice. So try this. You can do it for yourself. Don't have to be diabetic. You can also eat this at 1.6 gram carb. We baked it for 25 minutes. 焗咗25分鐘，170度 ，170 degrees C for 25 minutes. You get chicken Cordon Bleu. So enjoy the dinner, and this is Andrew Lau. I'll see you next time. 嗱，呢個170度25分鐘，好正嘅雞 Cordon Bleu. Have a great dinner. Enjoy your chicken Cordon Bleu. Bye bye.